everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to learn how to make a tassel. So I've made this cute little dog's hoodie, sweater, jumper, whatever you want to call it, and I like to finish them off with a tassel. So here's how I do it. I take a piece of cardboard. Now this has seen better days. It's an old Glad box. It measures approximately, and I'm saying approximately because, as you can see, it's kind of battered. But we'll say 3 inches by 3 inches roughly. It's a square. Anyway, so I'm using the 2 colors of yarn that I did in the dog or pet sweater. And I'm gonna start them on my cardboard, okay? So the full length of the cardboard. And I'm gonna wrap 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'm gonna cut my yarn at the bottom there. And I'm gonna put that there. Stay. Okay. Now, I am going to take some scrap yellow yarn that I had, and I'm going to weave it through the back. So I just went through the back. I'm holding so that my yarn doesn't come undone. I'm holding it at the back there. And I'm going to take this. Now I'm kind of pushing it down with my hand so it doesn't unravel. I'm going to tie a knot at the top. 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to put those like that. Okay, and I want that centered at the top. So manipulate it so it's there. Now at this end, we're going to cut through this yarn. Bear with me. These are like some of the worst scissors I own. See, and this is why it gets all ratty, because I cut through it. Okay, so this is what we have at this moment, okay? So now what I'm going to do is with another scrap piece of yarn. Actually, we're going to go bigger. We're going to go bigger with this one because you'll see why. Okay, so I'm going to take a scrap piece of yarn. Okay. I am going to, so let's see, do you want to know how long this is? This is roughly 11 inches. Okay. Then we're going to take this, we're going to lay it on top. We're going to make sure that these are centered. We're going to go around it once this way and then go to the back, and we're going to tie it. And we're tying it tight, you guys. Okay, tight, tight. Oops, tight, tight. And then we're going to do another knot. Tight, tight. And then now, this is what we've got. We're just going to trim up those long yarns. Now this is our tie, but we can incorporate it into our tassel like so. So we're just going to trim those. And then I've got one long one there. And there we go. So now with this hoodie, I left a piece to tie it on, and we use these 2 at the top, weave it through and tie it. And that, my friends, is how to make a tassel and how to attach it to your garment. So you can use tassels on garments, you can use them on pillows, you can use them on blankets, you name it. You can use them on scarves, anything like that. So you see what I just did there? I was kind of just moving this a little bit higher up. And that's it. So check the description. I put all kinds of neat things in the description. If you're watching this on TikTok, check the bio. It'll have links to my channels so that you can go and see my full-length tutorials. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.